Hi y'all, I'm Melissa, and today we're on our third day and final day of going over the Colourpop tie-dye collection, and our last palette that we're going to be playing with is the Aura and Out palette. And again, that's what it looks like on the inside. And I'm going to see what I can do with this. I don't wear a lot of blues or like light greens, so it'll be interesting what I come up with. So if you're interested in seeing what I come up with, just keep on watching. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take my glasses off. And today I'm using the e.l.f. eye primer. It's like a white eye primer. And I already did my brows, and I got my moisturizer, sunscreen, all my skincare done before we started. I'm going to take just a little bit of powder and brush it over my brows, just so that maybe they'll stay, because I've been having a problem of them. By the time I'm done, they're gone, or halfway gone. So I'm going to put some powder on there so maybe they'll stay in place. Alright. So now back to the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go in with Eurovision right here, the yellow. And I'm going to put that in my crease for a transition shade. And this one does have a little bit of shimmer in it. Alright, I'm going to take Vibes and I'm going to put it on my outside corner. And I think this one has shimmer in it as well. Alright, now I'm going to take Fresh Cut, that's right here in the middle, this green, and I'm going to put that on my inside corner. Kind of doing similar to what I did the other day with the In a Trance palette, and this one does not have shimmer in it. So I'm taking my fluffy brush and I'm just going to go in and just blend out the top and make sure everything's blended and there's no harsh lines. Alright, now I'm going to take Soul Sister and I'm going to put it right in between those two, and I'm just taking my finger. I think this is a Super Shock shadow. I'm going to take Healing Hearts and I'm going to put that in between as well, just with my finger. Now I'm taking a little cotton round with some micellar water and I'm just going to wipe out any of the fallout and kind of clean up this line over here. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. And I'm just going to take a little bit and just get into all the places that I have larger pores, which would be my nose, my cheeks, a little bit on my forehead, and my chin, just right in the T-zone. I've really been enjoying using this primer. I'm going to take the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage in light beige, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand and just dot that all over my face. I'm going to take a beauty blender. This is the e.l.f. sponge, and just blend that out. And I'm taking the Instant Age Rewind in the shade Brightener, and I'm going to put that underneath my eye. I really enjoy using this. This is probably my favorite concealer right now. It has a little bit of a pink tint, and I think that it helps a whole lot to correct the darkness up underneath my eyes. And I'm going to blend that out with my sponge. Alright, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photofocus translucent powder. I'm just going to put a little bit of that into my cap. Ooh, it's going everywhere. I'm just going to put a little bit of that under my eyes. Now I'm going to take my big fluffy brush and just go all over my face before we get into bronzer. And I'm going to take my e.l.f. Flawless face brush and go in with the Milani Silky Matte Bronzing Powder in Sunlight. And I'm going under the jaw. And then down the neck. And I'm going to take the Milani Baked Powder Blush in Berry Amore. And just put that all on my cheeks. I'm going over my nose so we look sun-kissed and sunburned. Alright, so my camera cut off, but I'm not sure where we were at, but I put on highlighter on my nose, right above my brows, and on my cheekbones. Put on our blush, and now I'm taking the powder brush, if I get the hair off of it, powder brush, and just go over everything to make sure it's well blended and I don't have it just stripes all over my face from everything. Alright, so now we're going back into the palette. I'm going to take Vibes, the blue, and put that on the outside part of my lower lash line. Now I'm taking Fresh Cut, the green, and I'm going to put that on the inner half of my lash line. Alright, and I'm going to take the white Young Love and put that on my inner corner. I'm going to curl my lashes and put on my Essence Lash Princess mascara. Alright, I'm going to take the NYX liner in Nude Suede Shoes and the Milani lip gloss Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper in Champagne, and put those on my lips. Now I'm taking the Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist, and I'm going to spray my face. Take my handy fan. Take my sponge, and I'm just going to pat it all out to melt everything together once it starts drying down, so that maybe it'll look more like skin instead of powder on top of foundation. So alright, well, this is the final look. I hope you like it. I think it turned out pretty good. Green and blue looks weird on me, but I think it looks good. I think it looks good. If you haven't already subscribed, I'd love to have you in our family. Just hit that subscribe button. Also ring the bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. I try to upload twice a week, but sometimes more, just depending on what's going on. Like this week, I have my tie-dye collection, and I also have a surprise, another collection that I want to share with you guys and play with that should be coming very, very soon. So I hope y'all enjoyed it, and thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, y'all.